Donald Duck's Space Race Challenge. In a universe not so far away, Donald Duck receives a peculiar package, a glowing space helmet. The accompanying note reads, asterisk, you've been selected for the Galaxy Grand Prix, the ultimate space race. Prize, 1,000 tons of ice cream. Asterisk, thrilled by the prospect of a sweet reward, Donald can't resist. Arriving at the launch site, Donald meets his rivals, the sly Captain Pete, boasting a totally legal turbo booster, the infamous Beagle Boys in a rocket cobbled together with stolen stop signs, and Penny, a brilliant kid genius accompanied by her robot co-pilot. Donald feels apprehensive. There's definitely trickery in the air. As the race countdown begins, Pete sneakily ties Donald's rocket to the launch pad. When Donald blasts off, he's horrified to find himself dragging the entire platform into space. Yet there's no turning back. The first challenge is a field of spinning space rocks. In a panic, Donald fires all his thrusters, inadvertently turning his ship into a pinball ricocheting between asteroids. Miraculously, he navigates through, albeit with more excitement than precision. Next comes a floating junkyard. Trying to clear the path, Donald inadvertently starts a cascade of crashing debris by kicking a satellite. It's sheer chaos, but somehow, he makes it through. At the Neptune refueling station, Donald trades his lucky hat for what he believes is rocket fuel, only to find out it's sparkling soda. Meanwhile, Pete tricks him into a faster route through a treacherous wormhole, stretching Donald's ship like taffy. When he emerges by Pluto, he's disoriented but unharmed. The Beagle Boys try to pilfer Donald's fuel, which actually turns out to be melted ice cream. Their ship becomes a sticky mess, floating aimlessly. Meanwhile, Penny battles her own disaster as her robot co-pilot goes rogue, but Donald heroically short-circuits it with a magnetized plunger. A sudden nebula lightning storm renders all ship's electronics useless. Donald's outdated hand-crank engine suddenly becomes his salvation, allowing him to push forward. As the race nears its end, Pete's holographic fake finish line almost tricks Donald into a black hole trap. Thankfully, Penny uses her laser pointer to reveal the dangerous illusion. In the chaotic final moments, the ships collide, and surprisingly, a space turtle waddles calmly over the finish line first. Donald receives a consolation prize for most entertaining crash, but he's not amused by the lifetime supply of astronaut diapers. The real treasure proves to be Penny's secret map to the Milky Way's ice cream planet, sparking Donald's interest for a new adventure. Back on Earth, Donald finds 3 tiny aliens in his trunk, munching on his snacks. As he yells them into submission, a new invitation appears. Moon Monster Truck Rally next week. With the aliens cheering, Donald faces the prospect of new cosmic chaos. The end for now, as their adventures await another day under the cosmic skies.